So we got another before video, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the inside of this one look like before I turn around and clean it. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like. All right, so y'all see this? Look at all this stuff there. Bam, take some pictures of it. Well, it's gonna take a whole lot of work to get all this clean, y'all. All the dirt, things like that. You would think it'd be easy because of this type of foil right here. That kind of makes it a tad bit more difficult than usual. Look at the back. I got to pull all this stuff out, man, to get to that floor and make this one come clean, man, y'all. So y'all see it, man. It's disaster right now, but it was some employee that left like that. Clean it up. Let's get that floor. Let's get that wire. While I'm at it, I'm gonna show you on the outside as well. Look at the rings. Look at this. I'm gonna take a whole look at the truck. This is a Welling truck. So yeah, y'all see it. So this is the before, man. The whole view of the before, man. Oh, I'm forgetting to take pictures and stuff. Look at that, the inside here. Look at that floor, man. And it could just come from out here like that. But oh, it's on the dash. Look at that. Look at that, man, y'all. Oh, I was trying to get in between the seats, man. Look at that. All in the seats. So y'all wait till y'all see this when I'm done with it. I'm afraid to open this door. You know what I mean? I'm messing up, y'all. I'll just call it something. Hardee's. Yeah, it's just some stuff, bro. But y'all go ahead and do me that favor and like and subscribe. So now that y'all see the inside of that, man, I'm gonna need y'all to do me a favor, man. Support the page, like, subscribe, follow, whatever you got to do. And I'm gonna get back with y'all right after I'm done cleaning this, man. I want y'all to see this, man, because sometimes it seems like a boy done worked a miracle on some of these things, but I just been doing this for a long time, man. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all follow me on all social media. Takeover Mobile Car Wash and Detail Shop. But I'm gonna be right back with the finished product. So right now I'm getting started. I'm having to grab things out of the truck. So yeah, I'm about to buy a van. So this right here is getting nuts, man. I mean, stuff usually don't look like this in my truck. It's usually more things in my truck, but I just been throwing stuff in here lately, man, because I have to pull stuff out. So I've been working at home and I've been working in the out the truck. You get what I'm saying? But mainly at the house, and that feels a whole lot better than the mobile. But the mobile is what brings me money. Let's see. So yeah, hold on. So y'all know we in Florida, right? Man, out of nowhere, this busts out raining, man. Like, and I think this is that time of year where it's about to start doing that every day because it's so hot. You get what I'm saying? So I had to take a break from what I was doing just to jump in the truck to get out of the way of the rain. That's one of the other things I hate about mobile, man. I mean, this got his good points, and this right here is one of his bad points. You get what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back to cleaning this. Yeah, y'all see all that ground is all wet and everything, man. So yeah, this is something that we go through, man. When you're in Florida, I don't know if y'all can see it yet, man. Look, see that cloud up there? This is what I just had to run from. If you look, water all over the vehicle and stuff like that. So I finally got the stuff out the back seat. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what that look like. Alright, I took everything out that back seat. Look at this floorboard, man. You know. So the thing is to change this, man. Y'all remember Takeover Mobile Car Wash and Detail Shop. Y'all hit that like button. Y'all follow me, man. Y'all look me up on Facebook. Look me up on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever it is, man. Y'all look for me, but y'all see this, man. Y'all see this, man. If your car look like this, go ahead and call me. 850-691-7572. But that's if you in like the Panama City area or surrounding areas, man. As you see, it's not raining no more. So I'm dealing with inside of the other truck too. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the inside this other. Alright, like I told y'all, I was gonna bring that one back and get looking good. This is the after. If y'all car look like this one did before, I'm gonna show y'all a couple of parts of the video and stuff like that before. You know what I mean? But if y'all truck look like this one did before, y'all need to call me. No matter if it's a work truck or not. This is what I do. Clean cars. I had to fight the rain. You know, and did 2 of them. The other one was like a basic cleanup, but I kind of cleaned it like it was a full. So I got a couple of runs in this one I gotta take out, but y'all see that. I haven't reached the outside yet. So that's why the outside still look the same. That rain, man. I'm telling you. But y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. And follow me. Instagram, Twitter. Find me on Google. Takeovamobilecarwash mobile car wash and detail shop, man. Y'all make sure y'all look me up, man. That's what I do. If y'all in the Panama City area, or surrounding areas, Destin, places like that, this is what we do. Or what I do. I keep saying that. This is what I do. But y'all see it, it's back. Y'all remember, I'm gonna show y'all one more clip of how I looked before. Then, now y'all see the difference. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get y'all on the outside of this one too. Let's go see that other video. Let's go see that other one I just started.